Well, it's Mother's Day weekend. A lot of us think of rhododendrons for Mother's Day. I'm with Dick from the Rhododendron Society. And Dick, a lot of us like to go out Mother's Day weekend. We go to, the Crystal Springs Rhododendron Garden. But things are a little bit different this year that we need to know about.
As COVID has thrown a definite kink into some of our schedules, so the Mother's Day Rhododendron Show has been canceled. The garden will be open on Mother's Day, and as it is most of the week. Last year we've always in the past had a big plant sale. Last year we had good-sized plants, but this year, because of COVID restrictions, our volunteers couldn't go visit our normal suppliers and pick up the bigger plants. So this year there'll be mostly 1 gallon.
So you do have the plant sale?
We will have the plant sale. The website will go live on May 7th, and it'll include photos of all the plants, the prices. You can purchase them online and then schedule the time to pick up the plants at the garden. There's about 180 varieties of plants, so there's a great selection.
But the gardens are still open too?
Oh yes, gardens are open Thursday through Tuesday 10 to 4 and Wednesday 1 to 4. Again, hours have been limited by COVID restrictions, but we have paths marked one way, etc.
And I bet people need to not just show up, they need to reserve a space ahead of time?
No, you do not have to reserve a space to visit the garden itself.
Okay, so they can show up at the gardens, but for the plant sale part, they do need to get online and order them ahead of time to pick up.
Correct. And we've got a great group of volunteers that come out every Wednesday morning, and if you'd like to join them, they'd be more than happy to see a new smiling face.
Right, because there's always plenty of work. There's lots of things to do at the gardens.
And remember, every time that comes into that garden, be it admission or plant sale proceeds, goes right back into that garden. We get very few funds from the city of Portland, so everything you see in that garden was paid for by donations or plant sales and admission.
Right, so we want to encourage people to come out.
Yes.
They love the gardens, they love to enjoy them. So they can come on. They can purchase the rhododendron ahead of time. To come out to the gardens and pick it up. They can view the gardens while they're there. And spend some time volunteering. It's a beautiful setting. The flowers.
It's a lovely place.
It is.
Regardless of the time of the year, we do have a couple of banks that are starting to slide into the lake that we're hoping to repair before long. And so, yes, if you'd like to give us a little extra support to help repair this damage, we would be much appreciated.
So for more information on, the rhododendron gardens and, how to order your, rhododendron for pickup, or how to go out and visit the gardens, or even how to volunteer some time, to come out and support the gardens, either financially or through your manpower. Just get out and enjoy it. So Dick, it's always a pleasure to be out with you. We love the gardens and we love to support it, and we're looking forward to being back out.
Well, we really appreciate your support.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.